This video demonstrates how to create a StageNow profile for automated installation and setup of Device Tracker. In StageNow, click Create New Profile. Ensure MX 10.1 or higher is selected. The MX version on the device should match this version or higher. Select Expert Mode and click Create. Enter the profile name. Click Start. Scroll down and add File Manager. You'll see that it's added under the Config tab on the right-hand side. Now we'll add a few more settings. Locate App Manager. And add that. Add this again so that App Manager is listed twice. Scroll to Access Manager and add that. And lastly, scroll to Intent and add that to the list. It is important that all these settings are added in this particular order. Click Add, and you'll see that the configuration settings are displayed across the screen here. Now, File Manager is being used to copy the Device Tracker client to the device. So, for file action, we're going to transfer a copy of the file. The target path and file name you would enter in the file path for the APK file to be copied to the device. So, for example, if we enter an SD card and the name of the APK file. For the source access method, select the appropriate setting that would apply to your environment. In this example, we'll select File on a remote server, and we'll say we're using an external server with a file path of this and the Device Tracker APK file name. Okay, so then you click on Continue. Now for the first App Manager, we're installing the Device Tracker client. So for the application action, select Install. For the APK path and name, you would enter the file path, which the APK file would be located on the device. And you can leave the other settings as it is, set by the defaults. Click Continue. For the second App Manager, we're granting permission for the app to run in the background during DOS mode, which is Android's power saving feature. So under Application Action, select Application for Battery Optimization. Under Remove Application for Battery Optimization, enter in com.zebra.mdna.device tracker cloud. To continue, for Access Manager, we're granting the overlay permission to display the checkout screen if in use. So under Permission Access Action, select Grant Permission to an application. This displays additional options. So under Permission Name, we'll select System Alert Window. The application package name is com.zebra.mdna.device tracker cloud. And the application signature, you would browse to the Device Tracker certificate. Click Continue. And for intent, we're starting the Device Tracker service by sending an intent to commence tracking of the device. So for action, select Start Service. For the Android action name, enter in com.zebra.mdna.device tracker cloud.csp.ng DT in caps, C in caps, and then SP service with S in caps. Under package name, enter in com.zebra.mdna.device tracker cloud. For the class name, enter in com.zebra.mdna.device tracker cloud.csp .ngdtcsp service. Same as the Android action name. Click continue. Now we're all set, so click complete profile. And now you can click on StageNow to generate the barcodes. Click test, and the barcodes will open up. And basically all you do now is open StageNow client on the device and scan the barcode to apply the profile just created.